right now. This lighting, are you kidding me? Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Please excuse the steering wheel that is in the car. Obviously there's a steering wheel in the car. Please excuse the steering wheel that is just in the front of the frame. The lighting today for some reason outside is just really whack. It's like really sunny in some spots and then like really, I'm in shade right now, but it's like too much shade. Welcome to today's vlog, today's video. I decided just to do a day in my life or just kind of vlog my day today. I have some things I need to get done. I have some content I need to create for TikTok, for Instagram. I'm actually sitting in the Target parking lot right now. I need to go into Target and pick up some things for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. Also, I'm wearing my sunglasses right now because I feel like my eyes, I guess they don't look that bad. I guess I could take these off. I'm not gonna lie, I had my sunglasses on there for a while because I am absolutely exhausted today. It is only 11 o'clock already. I slept so badly last night. I had 1 cup of coffee, like 1.5 cups of coffee. I feel like it did absolutely nothing. So I might see if I can get like a Celsius while I'm here in Target because it's like a more natural caffeine. And my hair needs washed. There's just a lot going on today. And I think it's just all because I didn't sleep well. You know, when you don't sleep well, it just makes things difficult. But yeah, I'm exhausted, but we're gonna get through the day and I'm gonna vlog and I wanna make, I don't know, I'll tell you guys what I'm doing, but right now I need to go into Target and get some things. The whole reason I said why I'm exhausted, that I didn't sleep well, is just to say, please excuse if there is so much puffiness in my face or like under my eyes. I feel like my eyes just feel so heavy today because I'm just already so tired, but we're here. Hopefully I don't get too grumpy throughout the day with my exhaustion. I'm meeting my friend Alicia here, so she said she's already here. I probably should go in. Oh, and my battery's flashing. Wonderful. What a great start to the day. We're in Target picking up our Celsius flavors. I don't even like orange. Of course, that's what I picked. I'm trying to find the grape flavor and they don't appear to have any. But this looks really nice, so this one looks good. Strawberry guava, try that. Christian plays soccer, for anyone that doesn't know, so I'm gonna get him this. We did some good damage at Target, only like $58 worth. It's not too bad. Now I'm gonna go home, probably crack one of those Celsiuses open, maybe lay down for like 20 minutes. Honestly, like 20 to 30 minutes just shutting your eyes helps so much when you're tired, so I might do that. My camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna stop vlogging and I'll see you at home. Okay, the lighting is absolutely horrendous down here. So I'm home now, obviously, but I came down to my basement to just record a little clip because it's extremely loud upstairs with all the work that they're having done outside. And why am I so out of breath? Obviously I changed clothes. You guys have seen this Malibu sweatshirt from Shein like probably 3 or 4 times already, but it's so comfy. I just changed. I think because I'm so exhausted, I'm just gonna lay down, like I said, for probably like 20 or 30 minutes, probably 20, and just close my eyes and rest just so I can have a little bit more energy. Right now I'm gonna also snack on some cotton candy grapes. These are so freaking good. The only place I can find these is Giant, but they're so good. I also put a new battery in my camera and I have no idea if it's charged either. So I plugged in the other battery. Hopefully this one's somewhat charged. After my nap, I want to cook some lunch. I want to cook a meal from HelloFresh. No, this video is not sponsored by them. I purchased HelloFresh myself and I'm very excited. I already cooked one meal and I really enjoyed it, so I want to cook one today. I don't know if I want to do the meal that has fish and potatoes or if I want to do like a Tex-Mex bowl, like Chipotle style bowl, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to filming all the content I want to create today, like for my TikToks. I might do that tomorrow and Friday. Today is just gonna be a compilation of all the things that I do. Later I'm going to lead worship at my church for their youth group, so I don't know if I'll have the time before I need to leave at like 4:30, and at 12:47 I still need to lay down for 20 minutes because I definitely need that little tiny nap. That's gonna help me so much. Hello, I am up from my little 20-minute nap feeling refreshed. Like seriously guys, do not underestimate the power of a little 20-minute power nap. That's why they call it a power nap. I honestly feel so much better than I did before I laid down. I'm definitely still gonna be tired probably pretty early tonight. And I'm definitely still like a little bit sluggish and slow feeling, but I'm definitely not as nearly exhausted and tired as I was feeling earlier. My eyes don't feel like they have someone just pulling the eyelids shut, and feeling good, feeling like I can accomplish some things. So I'm gonna make my HelloFresh meals now. So I need to eat some lunch. Sorry if you can't see my face. Connie, sweetie, that's too loud. You're probably gonna hear a bunch of racket at random times. Well, not a bunch, but a little bit. Got 3 dogs and we have workers do. Oh, I should show you guys the stuff outside. Also, please excuse the fact that I look like I'm wearing a freaking trash bag. This sweatshirt is so big and it literally makes me look 10 times bigger than I like actually am, because I just have like wider hips. I used to track calories and stuff a lot, but now I'm just focusing on intuitive eating, because I feel like mentally it's like really draining and difficult to like always be tracking your calories. With my like 30 days to healthy living that I'm doing with Arbonne, I'm not probably supposed to have these energy drinks because it does have sucralose in it, so we're not supposed to have any added sugar, but I feel like today is a day that I need one of these. So I picked up some Celsiuses at Target. This is the, what is this, strawberry guava flavor. ASMR. I've never had this flavor. I think I've only had like the peach flavored one. Oh my gosh, guys, 1 second. This strawberry guava flavor of the Celsius is taking me back to freaking summer beach vibes and memories, because this is not the same flavor I don't have anymore outside, but these are the Corona Refrescas. This is the passion fruit lime flavor, but they have a guava lime flavor. And literally the second that I tasted this, literally tastes exactly like the guava lime. Is it guava lime? But this, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get more of these. These are so freaking good. Also, look at my cute little Valentine's nails. Okay, Celsius, sponsor me. Love you. I think I decided on what HelloFresh meal I want to make. I have all of these little like recipe cards. The other night I made this. It was really good. Also, they're doing more construction out there, so there's gonna be a lot of banging around. Hopefully it's not. Yeah, that's pretty loud. Made this last night. It was super good. Chicken sausage and sweet potato soup. Pork sausage, spaghetti bolognese, I have no idea how to say that. White cheddar Wonder Burgers. I'm excited for this. I might wait and make this on like Sunday. These are Mexican chicken and rice bowls. Maybe I should make these street cart style turkey bowls, because I have 2 of these like Mexican style bowls. I think I might just go with the chicken and rice bowls. I just went outside real quick. I got the chicken strips or chicken breast strips that go in it, and then this is the bag, and this is what we're making. Welcome to Cooking at the Crafts. We're pulling the hair back because I have a lot of it. Oh, and it's so staticky. Why? Oh my goodness. This should take, according to this, 20 minutes in total. So let's get cooking. So first step is the rice water. Stock concentrate, half the Southwest spice, and the rice. Adding the stock concentrate. Next, we have to wash and cut the produce. It's gonna probably be pretty loud over here with the workers being like right out this window. So if you hear that, I apologize. How do I get this out of there? This doesn't seem very safe. Rice is cooking. I'm cooking the green peppers, and now I have to season the chicken. I just made this salsa here. I have to put some salt and pepper in it, but it's just the scallions, the tomato, and the lime juice. I just put the chicken in the pan, and I have to cook that up with the peppers. The rice is pretty much done. I added a little more water because it seemed kind of dry. Okay, so I came over into the dining room just so it's a little less loud, get better light. I can show you guys this bowl. It says to put sour cream on top, but I'm not doing dairy in my 30 days to healthy living, so I can't do that, but it still looks really good. But chicken, rice, and then the little salsa thing, and then I ended up just meal prepping the rest. I'm gonna try it and then I'll let you know how it is. I came over into my living room for a second with my bowl just to tell you that it is freaking delicious. Definitely think it would have been better with like sour cream or something like that on top, but like I said, not doing dairy. So this vlog is actually kind of turned into a multiple days worth of a vlog. Today's actually Saturday. The last time I vlogged was Wednesday, I think, but this is probably gonna be like the last clip in the vlog. I might do a little bit more over the weekend here. Also, I'm really like out of breath because I was running around trying to find a good angle to film. I wanted to share this with you guys real quick. I just got a package in the mail and it is from a company called Evry Jewels. So thank you to Evry Jewels for sending me over some little goodies. I just want to do a little unboxing and show you guys what they sent me. First of all, I picked out this really cute little tote bag. I've been wanting to get a tote bag for like grocery shopping, or like at least start my collection of tote bags. So this one says, have a great day. I'm not gonna take these out yet. I'm trying to rush. I actually need to get going soon here, but I also picked out some little slippers here. I've been seeing these like all over the place, and these are just like the little smiley face slippers, so I'm excited about those. They also put in the package like some stickers and like some little Valentine's scratch off things, so that's really cute. All of the jewelry came in this little pouch, so I'm gonna kind of go through this pretty quickly. I think I have a discount code, so I don't remember it off the top of my head. I have no idea where my phone is right now, so I'm just gonna pop the discount code up here and there will be information about that on the screen, and then I'll also put in the description any information about discount codes or anything like that for you guys. First thing I have here is just this tiny little necklace. It's just like a very tiny chain necklace. This is another necklace. I think this one is like, call it a snake necklace or something. It's just like a thicker band. Ah, it's so cute. I might put that one on. I have this little necklace. This is like the shining star necklace, I think, or something, or I don't remember exactly what the names are. I'll insert them on the screen. This one just is silver with some stars. I go through phases of preferring silver and then preferring gold, so that's why I got a mixture of both. This is a little like chain link necklace. Oh, it's really cute. I like that a lot. Okay, then I just got a ton of rings, so I think I'm just gonna like put them all on my one hand real quick and then show them all to you. Oh wait, I have some earrings and another necklace to show you. Oh, this is cute. I'm putting this on right now. I got this little necklace. It's like a vintage necklace, just has like a little rose on it. I got a pair of earrings here that are like vintagey looking earrings. Hoping that's focusing, but yeah, that's really cute. So this is gonna be a lot, but these are all the rings that I picked out. This one is just like a plain one. These two right here are the same. I just got one in gold and one in silver. They're like a twisted ring. This one is one of their Valentine's rings, so I got it in gold with like the red heart. This one is just like a block ring. I got it to either go on my thumb or on my pointer finger. And then I got this one here, just has like some twisting like detail, and then this one just kind of looks like a pressed in, stamped in style. So those are the rings that I picked out. But again, thank you to Evry Jewels for sending this stuff over. I'm really excited to wear it all, but like I said, I will put the discount code on the screen and in the description box so you guys can go get some jewelry.